G'day trendsetters, it's Friday afternoon, which means it's the end of another working week and the beginning of another weekend. And I was just wondering what plans you guys had for your veggie garden or gardening in general for this weekend. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below what plans you've got for your veggie garden this weekend. I'd love to hear. But this arrived in the post this Tuesday. A replacement for the replacement for the greatest handheld weeding tool on the planet. Because sadly, somewhere in my jungle here, I've put my hand weeding tool down, and the garden has claimed it, so I can't find it. So I've had to order another one. Now, because the last one was basically the world's best handheld weeding tool on the planet, you wouldn't have thought I could have found a better one. And you'd be right, I didn't. I got the same handheld weeding tool on the planet again. I didn't think I would miss this so much, but since I haven't been able to find it, I've been lost. I'm thinking, how, why, what? But this is just a graceful piece of machinery and simple beyond belief. And it is, you just drag it through the soil and you weed. Got a nice tool here. Thank you, dear Stewart, thank you for your order. Hopefully we can see you at the next Nambour Expo, which is where I bought my last hoe. Now I hope to see Shogun Tools at the next Nambour Expo, which has been postponed, I believe, and will be running in September. At least it's running. So there you go. I feel like a complete gardener again. And it's probably too late this year. I'll leave a link in the description below for Shogun Tools. They're really great to work with, and this is a marvellous tool. But like I said, it's probably too late this year, but Sunday here in Australia will be the 10th of May, is Mother's Day, which this would have made a great present for Mum if she's gardening, weedingly challenged at all. I'm sure she would have loved this. But go and check out Shogun Tools. They have a lot of other tools, fully imported stuff from Japan you can't buy anywhere else, and great high quality tools at a good price. I think that's it, Friday afternoon. Let us know what your plans are for the weekend. I'll be doing things like planting carrots, coriander. What else? I've got a whole lot of microgreens to replant, little rockets and radish, spinach, a few other things. Garlic, I was supposed to plant garlic last Sunday. I ran out of time. Got tied up with other things, so garlic has to go in this weekend. It's really getting a bit late. A few other odds and sods. The compost has to be worked. There's always weeding, pruning, trimming. So anyhow, have a great weekend and enjoy your gardening. Cheers, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.